we got mail. This is the motherlode of all mail. These phones were fished out of the ocean. Huge shout out to Aquatic Monkey. Go follow him, check out his content. He's a diver in BC, and he sent me all of these. We got an iPhone XR, another XR, and a bunch of iPhone 6s. This one's even rusting. Guys, these smell pretty gross, but my goal is to try and get some of these on and return them to the owner. I'm going to be making a series on every single one of these. Make sure to follow, like, and comment. We'll be starting off with the XRs because they're water resistant. Hopefully they survived.